Installing a deadbolt lock is an important way to enhance your home security. They can be added to front doors or used to secure any other point of entry, like this external laundry door. Hi, I'm Ross, and this is how to install a deadbolt lock. Let's get into it. Depending on your chosen deadbolt lock, the steps may change slightly, so make sure to read the manufacturer's instructions. Now first things first, let's measure the door to determine the best position for your deadbolt. While it's a matter of preference, try to aim at least 100 mm above your existing handle. Use your tape measure and a pencil to mark this spot. Once you've decided on the height, grab a square and transfer your height mark around the door. This will help keep everything aligned as you work. Now it's time to mark your back set. If your deadbolt doesn't come with a template, check the instructions for the back set. This is generally 60 mm or 70 mm and should align with your door handle. Now we're going to drill a hole for the lock cylinder. Attach the correct size hole saw to your drill. For this deadbolt, it's 54 mm. Align the hole saw with your mark and drill halfway through the door. Then switch to the other side and drill through until the two holes meet. This method prevents the wood from splintering, leaving you with a clean, professional finish. Next, it's time to drill the latch hole on the edge of the door. Mark the center of the door edge, then refer to your lock's instructions to find the correct size drill bit. This is usually around 24 to 25 mm. Drill carefully at your marked spot, taking your time to ensure a clean and accurate hole. Now let's fit the latch by sliding it into the hole on the edge of the door. Screw the latch to the door temporarily. Use a utility knife to trace around the perimeter of the latch face. This will help you achieve a clean, snug fit. Remove the latch and use a chisel to create a recess so the latch face sits flush with the door's edge. With the latch in place, you can now install the barrel. Firstly, insert the tail bar into the back of the lock cylinder. The numbers on the bar indicate the door thickness, so make sure you grab the correct one. If your door is less than 36 mm, make sure you use the spacer provided. Insert both cylinders through the hole, ensuring the turn knob is horizontal with the indicator facing the door's edge. Now make sure everything aligns properly and secure it with screws. Before moving on, check that the key turns smoothly, as this is crucial for the lock's operation. Once everything is operational, drill a 3 mm hole at the top and bottom and insert the rivet into the door to prevent any rotation of the cylinder, and then push the face trim provided onto the rose. Okay, let's move on to the door frame. Mark the height of the latch on the frame. Then measure the center of the bolt and transfer this measurement to the door frame to ensure accurate alignment with the strike plate. Screw the strike plate into position and trace with a utility knife, also marking the center, which is where you'll drill the recess for the latch. Take off the strike plate. Drill out the recess with a 22 mm spade bit and use a chisel to create a recess so the strike plate sits flush with the frame, just like we did with the latch plate. Be sure you allow enough depth for the strike box. Before fitting the faceplate, secure the strike box with screws. Once this is secure, screw on your strike plate. After everything is installed, give the deadbolt a thorough test. Lock and unlock it several times to make sure it operates smoothly and that the bolt slides effortlessly into the strike plate without any obstruction. And that's it, you've installed your deadbolt lock, which will provide more security and peace of mind. If you liked this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help tackle your next project with confidence.